Good afternoon, Farmer Joe here. One of the main reasons why people don't eat healthy is the preparation to eat healthy, which people don't like doing. They'll just grab out of a box or a bag, put it into an air fryer or an oven, and don't think what they're eating themselves or what their children are eating. And that's the problem out there today. People are not prepared to cook for themselves. So I've got a protein base here. I've got chicken, I've got beef, I've got eggs, I've got cheese, I've got vegetables here. This is going into an omelette, and this is going into a stir fry. So if you want to eat healthy, you have to be prepared to shop healthy, number one, as you see me doing, and then you have to go through this. And trust me when I tell you, there's no cost on giving a bit of time to this, because take it from me, if you keep eating what you're eating, you'll have to give time to your sickness. Farmer Joe, bye-bye. Good afternoon, Farmer Joe. Just starting here the beef stir fry. I just added the beef into the vegetables there now. Just a small bit of oyster sauce, a bit of white pepper gone in there. That's dish number one done now. This is the start of dish number two. Now there's snap, crackle and pop that you should be letting your kids hear in the morning. A little bit of vegetable stir fry, or beef stir fry for them going to school. Hang on a sec. In with a bit of roast chicken to meal number two there, or dish number two. I'll just add 3 eggs. Just added in the 3 eggs. Just added in 2 types of mature cheddar cheese there. Dish number 1 is ready in the pan there. And dish number 2 is ready in the pan there. Now listen, I'm going to plate this up in another video. All have a good evening. Bye bye, a good day. Bye bye now. Good afternoon, Farmer Joe here. My first meal of the day. It's 2 o'clock in the day, and there's fried beef with green pepper, broccoli and mixed vegetables. And there's a high protein chicken omelette with breasted chicken, 7 mixed vegetables and 3 eggs. Now this is how Farmer Joe's able to eat healthy. And you know, the preparation is key. This is why an awful lot of people don't eat healthy. They're not prepared to cut up veg, cook meats. They just want everything convenient, out of a box, which is all ultra processed. And that's why a lot of people are suffering now today, in 2025, with food related illness. And this is what happens when you eat ultra processed food. You know, I don't have anything in the packet. You know, absolutely pure class my food is. Now listen, all have a nice evening. Farmer Joe in Dublin. If you want to find the very best version of yourself, eat healthy and follow me, Farmer Joe. Take care. Bye bye now.